Hey everybody, how are you guys doing today? AMC Bigums here. I'm going to give you guys a quick update on AMC and how they were able to pin the price action yesterday and just break everything down on what actually happened here. But let's get into some great news here for AMC first. So more than 7.8 million moviegoers in the US and internationally saw a movie at AMC from Thursday to Sunday. Now, this is massive news, guys. We got to keep this up. The biggest way to give the shorts a finger is to go ahead and make your company profitable. Now, some of the key things here I want to go ahead and point out is marks the most attendance and admission revenue in a single weekend since 2009, which means this is the best since reopening of theaters, and that's a great thing to see. Also, this marks the fifth highest single day admission ticket revenue recorded in their entire history. So Saturday was their fifth most sold out day in the entire history of AMC. So guys, we got to keep on supporting our company, go seeing movies, even if you can't make it. Go ahead and spend $10 online. Support your company. In addition to high ticket revenue, AMC saw its second highest ever food and beverage revenue of all time. And we know that that's how AMC makes their most profit. So like I said, guys, this was a great weekend. The Barbie convertible collectibles, they said they sold out basically everywhere as well. And one of the other things I wanted to note, 87,000 stub members booked tickets for Oppenheimer and Barbie on the same day. Like I said, guys, this is amazing. If you guys don't already, go ahead and get signed up on AMC Stubs. Get the app downloaded. On that note, I want to go ahead and show you guys AMC Theaters app hit a high of 1.1 million for active daily users, with the highest ever app download. Like I said, guys, go on there, get that. Being a stub member, it helps everything with AMC. It gives them money, helps you out, gives you discounts, rewards, see free movies. There's a lot of things that you can go ahead and do through this. It's a great thing to download. It also gives you updates, news on anything coming out, movies coming out. A quick look at the box office. We're at 934 million. And once this updates, I expect it to be really close to 1 billion here. Barbie is just slaying it right now. If we keep these numbers up, the thing is, like I said, we got to go ahead and smash it and smash it. The second half of Q3 here movies, I don't think are as strong. So we need to definitely pump these numbers up as much as we can now. But one of the things here I wanted to talk about, we're still on the threshold list now. It's been 21 days. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how they pinned price action yesterday and how they were able to drop AMC. Now, one of the things a lot of people do is they look over at volume and then they freak out when they see it's hundreds, 200s, 300 millions. And it's like, yes, a lot of volume is great, but it has to be the right kind of volume. So if you go ahead and look over here at Chart Exchange, right at the top, go ahead and click on AMC. Come down here, change this to short volume, and you'll actually see the numbers here. Now, if you go ahead and I want to show you guys these couple columns here. You got total short volume, you got 87 million, almost 88 million total short volume. If you look at the long volume, you actually have 79 million. So you actually have a lot less volume buying than you have shorting, which is insanity. I mean, like I said, it shouldn't even be possible at this point. It's all crime. Now what you do is, you see this 79 million? What you do is you take that 79 million and you take 70 million, almost 71 million of that, and then you take that off exchange. Yes, this is why I keep telling you guys, you gotta direct route your orders. You gotta direct route your orders. So 70 million of that went off exchange. So now you basically have 88 million volume just smashing down on 9 million buy volume. And then what you do if you're a market maker is you go ahead and you use your 2.6 million exemptions on shares. They're selling shorts exempts. IOUs, market makers, 2.6 million of them. That's a lot. I mean, look at this the other days. So they were, like I said, this was like, all right, now we're just going to come out and do our crime. Everything off exchange. Tons and tons and tons of short volume. And that is how they went ahead and repinned it right back down. It is all crime, a joke. Gary Gensler sitting here watching 71 million out of 79 million go off exchange. What the hell? He said they do what they want in the market while the regulators finger their asses. Now, over 2 million shares were borrowed today. over at 990%, and now up to 1,027%. According to this, they're out of shares again, but we all know how that works. Once again, they're smashing everybody on fucking call options, which I told you guys to be careful about these options. Now, if you come down here and look at their short, like I said, look at their market, look at these short exempts. Short all week, and then yesterday, 2.6 million. Just smashed it down on you guys. But some more news today. Goldman Sachs Group, it's on Market Beat. They went ahead and put their target for AMC up to 175. Rating is a buy. They boosted it up from 160. And on top of that, I just want to give everybody an announcement as well. AMC is going to have their second quarter results hosted on their webcast, just like always, and that is going to be on Tuesday, August 8th. Last thing I see, like I said, man, I went ahead and explained this today. It smells like desperation from Ken. I mean, these guys are literally doing any and everything they can possibly try and do to target this down. So let's review short pressure, more short pressure than buying pressure. We saw bullshit after our price action. And that's the other thing. They were holding off large buy orders, $7 buy orders. You saw it. And then you saw them being filled after hours out of sequence. And they were odd lot orders. They were odd lot orders, which means they were retail orders. So they were holding them off till after hours. Then they were filling them out of sequence and bringing it back down. That's why you were seeing the jumping, the crazy jumping. Crime, 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 and more fucking crime. All while Gary is sitting there fingering his asshole. But some more good news. Citadel had their first half trading revenue fall over 35%. Profits are down 60% on the first half of the year. Yes, they generated 2.7 or 3 billion over the first 6 months, but they also have 60 billion in securities sold, not yet purchased. So who cares? They're losing money. We're gaining money. This is what you need to see. AMC making revenue, and theirs dropping drastically. But just wanted everybody to see what was going on with yesterday, give everybody a quick update, and let everybody know about the Q2 earnings coming up as well. So thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.